Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Lanejoy brand. There are 3-tier stackable cooling racks for baking. They're made of 100% 304 stainless steel. They're even oven safe, and when they're stacked, they're 15 inches by 10 inches by 8.5 inches high. That's what I'm showing you right here. And what's really unique is they have a little lip on each one of them, and that is what allows these to stay put when you stack them like that. This allows you to use minimal space on your counter and allow you to have the surface area of those three combined. Now, the company Lanejoy, they provide a 5-year guarantee on this product for quality. Just contact them using the Amazon messaging system. Now, this is 100% food safe 304 stainless steel. And anybody in the metal industry knows that that has excellent corrosion resistance. It meets the requirements of FDA food grade stainless steel. It won't rust in humid conditions, even the humidity of an oven or in your house. And it'll handle high temperatures of above 575 degrees. You don't have to worry about things flaking off either of the metal. Now, to show you the quality of the metal, I have a very powerful rare earth magnet, and you can see how it attracts to that because that is a chrome plated piece of steel that will eventually rust. Now, if I take the magnet and I put it on here, there's absolutely no magnetism whatsoever. It just falls because it doesn't have any ferrite, any iron in it, so it's never going to rust. And that's a real good way to test high quality stainless steel. Now, obviously you could take these racks out and use them individually on your table if you're just doing a small batch of cookies or something, or you can load them up just like this. In terms of the size, the largest is 15 by 10 by 3.1. The medium is 14 by 9.63 by 3.1, and the other one is 13 by 9.3 by 3.11, just so you know the individual size. The grid on here is 2 millimeters in size. It has 4 millimeter wire diameter tripod. That's the part right here, and it goes across the front. This will hold up to 25-pound turkey, so it's not going to deform with high temperature, and it stays locked in place, so it's not going to fall off your shelf. It also has uniform heating and cooling, so it will heat evenly and cool things depending on how you're going to use it. If you're using an oven, it'll help heat things evenly. Now, in an oven, this is good. Sometimes you have a recipe where you want to bake something and you want to have a separate layer other than the layers of your oven, and this will work perfect for that application. So here you can see they stack quite nicely, all three of them, so that you can minimize cabinet space, and you could store things in the center here to take advantage of that space if you like in your cabinets. Now, we're going to be testing out this product in our kitchen. So here we're making homemade bagels, and we're going to use the Lanejoy brand. They're 3-tier stackable cooking racks to cool them off. Now we're going to bake some chocolate chip pecan cookies. So here's the baked cookies. Now we're going to cool them off on the rack. Now we're going to bake an apple pecan coffee cake. So now we got the apple cinnamon coffee cake cooling off on the rack, and you can just see how well this works. This holds a lot of baked items on here. So what do we think about the Lanejoy brand? They're 3-tier stackable cooling racks. This is a great product, a great value, all stainless steel, thick metal, interlocking, and easy to store. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert you to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with your buying decision. Thanks for watching.